Another great feature is about TA30C's accessory, FR-1 finger grip. With this finger grip, you take this cap off, put this on, and make sure it's here's a groove fit to this clip, and tap it off. Put the cap on. Okay. Yeah, and this is a feature for the law enforcement. For me, I want to put it on this finger, so you can flip it, and then you free your hand. And you want to use it, just like that, right? You can use gun or something. Right? This is when you want to catch something, you just change your magazine or something. You just just flip it and then take it back. You don't have to drop this hold the flashlight away, and just you still keep your flashlight in your hand. Also, you have to have nice holsters fit to this flashlight, and this holster is you can see this is for wide duty belt, and if you have a narrow duty belt, you just push this up, and then it's become narrow. So with this middle spring, is a hold the belt pretty tight. Okay, and another feature is about rotate. This is rotatable. Pull this up, and then you can rotate it. If you want to lock to somewhere, just push it down. It's a lock tight. Okay, then put it in the vertical position. Push stop. Yeah, put this flashlight in. Okay, and you can lock it. Yeah, once, no more drop. Another one. The problem just depends on you like to hold your flashlight by left hand or right hand. Okay. Yeah, and then with usually for me, I want to pull this. Usually I put this in this finger, so and then I can easily flip. But sometimes people love to use their middle finger to pull it. Also, no problem. You still can use it, but you have to practice a little bit more.